board, describe the very next examination that they'll be involved with.
Okay, well, so there's a couple of different options within the structure of my office and the services that I offer. From a functional medicine perspective, I try to meet everybody financially in the place that they're at, realizing that not everybody has a lot of discretionary income to help themselves get well. And in this day and age, insurance doesn't pay for these things that keep us healthy. Insurance only pays for things that keeps us sick. Uh, Unfortunate, right? But that's not likely to change in the short term. So the two tracks are not a lot of lab tests and relying more heavily on muscle testing, which not everybody understands or knows about, but we do our best to educate people on that process, even in the 30-minute consult, so that they have an understanding of what that means. That's a 2-hour appointment. And a lot of it is muscle testing. So there's a physical process that is taking place whereby we are gauging a patient's energy field against other products or what we call stressors, because everything in life has energy. So we're gauging two forms of energy against each other and assessing whether it's a positive response or a negative response. And in that, we can assess whether somebody is overburdened by heavy metals, chemicals, environmental chemicals, different types of toxins, bacteria, viruses, parasites. All those things come into play. And we also look at food sensitivities, how that might be impacting somebody, whether they have a overproduction of yeast in their body. So that is one way. The second way is for those people that would like to rely more heavily on lab tests. And lab tests can be a part of the 2-hour track as well, but not required. The track where we do more lab types of values, that is an hour-long appointment, and that is most of the analysis or most of the appointment when they come in to see me is more of a report of findings, if you will, because I receive their subjective information, so they're going to be filling out some questionnaires, as well as the lab test results. Before I actually see them, I do an analysis, and then I put together a really great report where they get to see a lot of visuals about what is going on with them, so they have clarification visually. They can see it. You can't deny what is being shown. And in that, then we develop a program based on those results. That's an hour-long appointment. And so that really is the two different types of programs that I have in my office.